Hello, Brandon. Okay, this is Christmas Eve, so Brandon gets to maybe open one special something that's gonna happen in a bit. So let's go find out what do you have. Let's go down, buddy. Come here. Let's go down, and we're gonna see what we have down here. Okay? All right. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, let's see. What do we have here? What the heck is this?
Huh?
What is that? Yeah. It's a box? Maybe you can open it, the box. Can you open the box? Open it up.
Huh?
Can you open it up? How do you do that? Open it up. Yeah, try that. Yep. Rip it. Just yank it out. Just yank it out. Just rip it. There we go. Yeah, like that. More. Yeah, strong. Oh, yeah, just like that. Oh, I think you got the idea, buddy. More. Yeah. Open it up. What do we have there? Oh, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have here, buddy? Okay. Pull. What is it?
Car.
Is it a car? You want to open it all the way? Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Oh. Okay, open up the whole thing and we can see. Can I see? What do we have here, buddy? You got a Vtech Go Smart Wheels press and racer thingy toy. Yeah. Is it cool? Okay, you want me to open it up? What do you think about this Vtech toy, buddy?
This is slide go.
Is it? Is it a slider car? What else do we see in there? What else is that toy does? You want to see you can open the whole thing? Okay, let's see if we can open the whole thing. Lift it up. Vertically. Let's see here. Looks like there's lots of stuff here. Let's see here. Here. We open here. And then we can open up here. There. And then I think with that. Oh. What is that? It's making noises? Okay. Let's see if we can open this one here. Okay, I think we're just going to tear this thing apart, eh? Let's see if we can just open this thing here up. Open this thing here. Okay. This is designed for adults to open, I think. Oh my god. Okay. Let's take all this stuff out, okay? Okay. What do we have here? Oh my gosh. This is stuffed in tight, eh? Okay, so this is a thing here. We have to, I think, turn to loosen it out. There we go. Now we have another toy here. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take the rest of the toy materials out? Okay, you have to open these bags, eh? They're all wrapped up in these plastic bags. Okay, here we go. Okay, you want to take these out? Okay, what is that? Some more stuff? Okay. You want to take these things out of the bag? Whoa. Brandon, do you like this? Okay, can you look at me and say you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, what is that?
But the slide to go.
Oh, it's a slider? Okay, let me see if I can look at it. Excuse me. So these are all parts. I think we have to put them together, okay?
Look, a box.
Oh, what is that, box? It has packaging, eh? Okay, let's take everything else out of the bag.
This is slide.
Oh, it's a slide? What color is this?
Red.
It's red, okay. So we have a red
Come
slide.
on, green.
Oh, this is another green thingy-majig, eh? What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay.
This is gray.
It's gray? Yeah, it's a gray thingy thing.
Black and gray.
Lots of grays, okay. Is there something else? Red, okay.
Yes.
What else is in there?
More slide.
More slide, okay. What else? Anything else? Oh, wow.
I'm gonna more slide.
More slide. This looks like a bridge.
Yes.
That's the instructions for mommy and daddy, okay? Yeah, this is the instructions for us to put this together later on. Oh, okay. What the heck is this? More slide, I think. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so now we'll take a pause and we'll put everything together so that we can see what this Vtech Press and Race Monster Truck Rally is going to look like when we put it all together. Okay, Brandon, you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.